Ever wondered why some gardens flourish more than others, even when they seem to have the same care and attention? The secret could be hiding in plain sight: mulching. Stay tuned as we unravel the steps to effective mulching and how it can transform your garden. Achieving a healthy garden might be easier than you think, and it all starts with mulching. The first step is choosing the right mulch material. You can opt for organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or compost, or go for inorganic options like stones or plastic. It's all about what suits your garden best. Once you've made your choice, it's time to get down to business. Spread the mulch around your plants and trees, creating a protective layer that retains moisture and prevents weed growth. But remember, more isn't always better. Aim for a thickness of about 2 to 4 inches. And let's talk about those mulch volcanoes. You've seen them, mounds of mulch piled high around the base of a tree. They may look neat, but they can actually harm your trees by encouraging rot and pests. So keep your mulch flat and away from the tree trunk. As simple as it sounds, these steps can make a significant difference in your garden's health. Now that you know how to mulch, let's delve into the reasons why it's worth your time and effort. The benefits of mulching are manifold. It acts as a barrier between the soil and atmosphere, helping retain soil moisture and keeping your plants well hydrated. It also stifles weed growth, giving your plants room to flourish. Additionally, mulch regulates soil temperature, protecting your plants from extreme weather. Lastly, it adds a polished, aesthetic touch to your garden. In essence, mulching is a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your garden's health and beauty. And there you have it, the secret to a flourishing garden right at your fingertips. We've unearthed the magic of mulching, its process, and its incredible benefits. Give it a go in your own green spaces. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!